Hey everybody, today I'd like to talk about cashing out. Cashing out simply means that you've had an accident, the insurance company cuts you a check, and what you do is you cash the check and don't fix the car. You can see this car has bad hail damage, very, very bad hail damage. And so what happened is she cashed out of it, and instead of getting the vehicle fixed, she cashed the initial check from the insurance company. One of the things the insurance companies do is they short pay you, hoping that you cash the check. The national average is about 30%. So she cashed the check. She cashed about a $3,000 check on about $10,000 worth of hail damage on this vehicle. And there's hail damage all over the vehicle. Now, if you come back here, here's where cashing out gets really ugly. Now, I understand if you got to pay the mortgage and you need your grocery money, cashing that insurance check is a great idea. But one of the things I want you to know is at this point, she got rear-ended and her car's been totaled. Now, the insurance company is going to, instead of paying her $20,000 for the value of this vehicle, the insurance company is going to deduct the value or the cost to repair the hail damage. So what the insurance company is going to do, instead of paying her $20,000, they're going to deduct $10,000. Now, she got a check for $3,000, and now she's going to lose $7,000 because she cashed the check and didn't fix the hail damage the first time. This is why cashing out is so costly, because one, the insurance company is going to short pay you with that initial claim. Two, the other thing that's going to happen is whether you sell the car's totaled, you trade the car in, you still have $10,000 worth of damage on your vehicle that hasn't been repaired. At some point, you're going to pay the price for that. Please feel free to reach out to us at Sharp Auto Body. We help our clients all the time navigate this claims process because our goal is to help you figure out what's in your best financial interest, and losing $7,000 on a claim is not in your best financial interest. We're here to help. Have a great weekend and be safe.